Hi everyone, this is Tansy from Tansy Forrest Hypnotherapy, and today I have for you a short guided meditation to help you unwind after a busy day. And this will be great to help you transition from work mode into a calm and peaceful state as you look forward to a relaxing evening. And the idea for this recording was suggested by a loyal YouTube subscriber. So hi there, and thank you for the inspiration. I hope you find this audio useful. As always, sending my best wishes and relaxing vibes out to you wherever you are listening in the world. And if you find this video useful, then please like it and leave any suggestions for future recordings you would like on my channel. And remember to subscribe so you get notified of new recordings as soon as they are released. So, for now, just lie or sit back and begin the process of relaxing. Just get really comfortable now, settling down and just allowing your shoulders to drop, finding support that feels right. And just listening to your body, just listening to what your body is telling you. And then when you're ready, in your own time, close your eyes. With your eyes closed, bring your awareness to the tiny space above your top lip and below your nose. Connecting in this space with the natural rhythm of the breath. Just tuning in and allowing your awareness to gently land in this place. Feeling every gentle breath in and every gentle breath out. Just noticing what your breathing is like in this moment. It may be deep or shallow, fast or slow. It makes absolutely no difference. Just observing what is happening. The breath goes in through the nostrils and you breathe out to the space that surrounds you. No need to control your breathing. No need to breathe in any special way. Just observing. Just allowing. There is no effort needed. Nothing you need to do right now or achieve. Just allowing the breath to come and go. If you notice distractions, your mind goes to the sounds or thoughts. The moment you have realized it, acknowledge it and bring your awareness back to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Your own rhythm, your own pace. Observing as the breath comes and goes. And now gently, from the point of connection with the breath, start expanding your attention so you can feel your cheeks, lips, chin, eyes, forehead, your whole face, sides and the top of your head, the back of your head. And then expanding awareness down to your shoulders and your chest and your back, your belly, hips, buttocks, legs, feeling your whole body sitting or lying here. Your body connected to the chair or bed. Right here in this moment. And if you feel any tension in your body now, just letting that go. Allow your body to soften, as if melting into the chair or bed. Any tension just drifting away. And as much as you can, allowing your whole body into your awareness. The sense of the body breathing. A sense of expansion in the body every time you breathe in. and contraction every time you breathe out. Not trying to achieve anything. Nobody needing anything. Nobody wanting anything. Just observing. Just noticing the body breathing. Right here, right now, in this moment. Breathing may be changing from moment to moment. It's okay. Just noticing, just tuning in. To the natural rhythm of the breath. Again, if you are becoming distracted, you come across thoughts or emotions, body sensations. Just acknowledge them and bring your awareness gently back to the body and the breath. There's no effort needed. No effort needed whatsoever. Breathing just happens to us on its own. Comes and goes. Just allowing. Just observing. And now, with the out breath, letting go of the sense of the body as a whole, bringing your awareness back to the point above your upper lip and below your nostrils. Allowing attention to land. Tuning into the touch of the breath on your skin. Tuning into the gentle sensation of breathing. When you are ready, in your own time, open your eyes, bringing this exercise to close.